This delightful two-bedroom home offers more than meets the eye. Step in the inviting living room where a large picture window frames a serene view of the backyard, filling the space with natural light. The layout flows seamlessly into a dining room and kitchen, ideal setting for family dinners or hosting friends. Just off the kitchen, the spacious laundry area includes a double pantry, offering ample storage for all your dry goods and household essentials. Both bedrooms are conveniently located on the main floor, providing comfort and ease and accessibility. Upstairs, you'll find a versatile multi-purpose room complete with wet bar, perfect for entertaining guests, creating a cozy family room, or even setting up a home office. Enjoy outdoor living on the generous 12 by 20 patio, featuring a retractable awning to keep you cool and shaded on sunny days. For hobbyists and do-it-yourself enthusiasts, the attached two-car garage includes a workbench. Make it easy to store tools and tackle your next project. This home truly is something for everyone. Don't miss your chance to see it in person. Contact Ed McCutcheon today to schedule a private showing.